Dumpster Rental, West Columbia, South Carolina. For reliable and affordable dumpster rental services in West Columbia, South Carolina, choose Midlands Dumpster Services LLC. Whether you're renovating your home, cleaning out your attic, or managing a construction project, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to meet your needs. From 10-yard dumpsters for small cleanup jobs to 20-yard containers for larger projects, we ensure that you get the perfect dumpster for efficient waste removal. At Midlands Dumpster Services LLC, we prioritize customer satisfaction and offer flexible rental periods to fit your project timeline. We understand that every project is unique, which is why we provide personalized recommendations to help you choose the right size dumpster. Our team is dedicated to providing on-time delivery and prompt pickup, so you don't have to worry about delays or unnecessary hassles. We aim to make your waste disposal as simple and cost-effective as possible. We're committed to eco-friendly disposal practices, ensuring that your waste is managed responsibly. If you're looking for a dependable, local dumpster rental service in West Columbia, South Carolina, contact Midlands Dumpster Services LLC at 803-608-6437. We're here to provide the support you need for a smooth, stress-free project. Let us handle the waste while you focus on getting the job done.